My name is Paul Fisher. I'm an MPH PhD. We've been funded ever since I was at Columbia, and it's now 7 years into the gracious support of the NFCR. A number of our projects have really moved forward. We developed an approach a number of years ago called Subtraction Hybridization, which actually allowed us to take the genetic information that one cell makes, a cancer cell when it's growing and not growing, to define genetic elements that may regulate this process. These molecules are called tumor suppressor proteins. We cloned a number of them in the early days and actually have now shown that these can selectively kill cancer cells. We've put them in viruses, and we've developed a very interesting class of virus called a cancer Terminator Virus, which will only replicate in cancer. And when it replicates, it produces a protein that is secreted called a cytokine that finds distant cancer cells. In total, you not only attack the cancer cell in its first stages, but you can also block the blood vessels, stimulate the immune system, which is a major theme that's now developing in cancer, and attack the cancer from multiple angles. The NFCR has a way of funding exploratory research that allows you to come to the next level, and it brings people together that can ask the right questions and hopefully develop answers that will benefit patients. Science really requires a new wave of thinking in the present time. It used to be the government was the primary source of funding for most research. This has been dwindling over time. There are also private foundations which serve an amazing value to the scientific researcher in allowing them to take projects that may be less developed and then bring them to a point where they really can make an impact on understanding cancer and ultimately treating patients. NFCR is a premier organization in that context, and their work has directly helped us move forward in many areas we might not have been able to follow had we gone strictly for NIH funding.